Hi, my name is Johannes and I'm a product owner at Pessler. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you set up MQTT notifications inside PRTG to forward alerts, warnings or any other information to a system of interest, like any system in the cloud or any other system which can basically subscribe to MQTT topics. Have fun! So let's add an MQTT notification to PRTG. First, as usual, you need to go to Setup and Notification Templates to create a new template for notification of PRTG. We give it the name MQTT Alerts because we only want to publish alerts from PRTG. And here, way down, we select the MQTT Publish Notification. At first, as usual, we're going to take the broker. In our case, it's from FMQ. We specify the port, the timeout, and if required, you can set up the user credentials or the connection security if you use TLS. The topic we want to publish in our case is alerts, error. So we're going to use this topic only to forward errors. We could also specify alerts warning then later on to separate the topics for warning and errors. So you can handle it differential. The client ID in our case is here PRTG demo. And for the message, we just remove the site name. And then we will see the device and what's happening there. So notification is created. And now to test it, we take, for our case here, a backup IPC device and pick a certain sensor which monitors the temperature. And first we need to set the notification for the device. So we say get a state trigger if the device is in down state for at least 1 second. In this for demo cases, for demonstration cases, we want to get the MQTT alert. So this should be fine now. Go into the sensor, pick up the temperature channel, and based on limits we say if the temperature is below 25 degrees we want to get a prop alert. And that's what we did here. And now we refresh. And as you can see now we subscribe to the topic PRTG alerts error and just right away got the error message from PRTG that on the back of IPC device the sensor IPC health has an issue and we are below 25 degrees Celsius here. And basically that's everything you need to know to set up a notification using MQTT and PRTG. I hope you really found this tutorial helpful, and if so, please give us a like or consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Also leave us a comment for feedback or any other topics. And if there are any questions, always ask us at support@pessler.com. Thanks for watching.